स्वागत है आप सबका स्कोर ऑटोमोबाइल यूट्यूब चैनल पे। आज जो भी मैं बोलूंगा वो ध्यान से सुनो, क्योंकि आपका भी एग्जाम है तो मुझे जरा भी टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना है। बट आप लोग का इतने मैसेज इतनी डिमांड, इसके लिए खास आपके लिए इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग एंड क्वालिटी कंट्रोल का लेक्चर लेके आए, क्योंकि इसमें मेजर फर्स्ट चैप्टर से लेके लास्ट यूनिट अलग सब कुछ कवर है। पर लेक्चर में आगे बढ़ने से मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि मेड विद लॉट्स ऑफ हार्ड वर्क एंड डेडिकेशन, सो वी रिक्वेस्ट टू शेयर एज मच पॉसिबल। जी हाँ, इस बार आपको ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करना है, क्योंकि आपको भी पता है कि कम टाइम का एकदम ही टाइम नहीं है और हम आपके लिए वीडियो लेके आए। पर आपका एक लाइक और एक सब्सक्रिप्शन पूरी टीम को मोटिवेट करता है, तो आपका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा इस वीडियो को शेयर करो एंड मिनिमम 500 लाइक तो आने चाहिए। ठीक है, लेट स्टार्ट। यूनिट 1 वर्क स्टडी, उसके अंदर है मेथड स्टडी एंड वर्क मैनेजमेंट। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ AIIE, दैट इज अमेरिकन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग। What is the role of an industrial engineer? To prepare system that will evaluate job performance and subsequently productivity of the organization, to enhance quality control procedures to resolve production problems or minimize cost, that is ANC. Industrial engineering serves the objective of using quality data and tool for anticipating and resolving the issues within the engineering process. Yes. Defining of the work method properly. Yes. Ensuring human factors engineering is implemented on shop floor for better working condition. Yes. The answer is all of the above. What is the major scope of industrial engineering? The major scope क्या है? To ensure quality of the product along with the maintenance of its cost and delivery date. Work study mainly focuses on balanced budget with increasing productivity. Techniques of work study are work measurement and method study. Method study is concerned with reduction of the total work content of an operation. Work measurement is concerned with investigation and reduction of any effective time associated within. The method study was invented by Frank B.G. What factors should be considered while selecting the work to be studied? Economic, technical, and human. The success of a method study depends upon accuracy. The various recording techniques used in industrial engineering are chart, yes; diagram, yes; graph, yes. Answer is all of the above. The portraying of a process is a process chart is done with the help of symbols. What is the full form of ASME, that is American Society of Mechanical Engineers? In process chart symbols, a circle represents which activity, that is operation activity. In process chart symbols, an arrow represents transport. In process chart symbols, a square represents inspection. In process chart symbols, an inverted triangle means permanent storage. Flow process chart records operation, inspection, transportation, storage, and delays. Outline process chart is also known as operation process chart. तो operation process chart is also known as outline process. ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं. What are the types of flow process chart? That is man, equipment, and material. Multiple process or activity chart consists of a series of bars placed against a common time scale. What is the disadvantage of flow process chart? तो flow process chart का disadvantage क्या है? That is it does not indicate the actual movement of man and animal. The purpose of using a string to the measure the distance between two movements is right. That is true. Repetitive movement and too many paths makes the flow diagram congested and becomes more easy to understand. The answer is wrong. That is false. In travel chart, the path is traced, but the number of movement are not indicated. The answer is wrong. That is false. The travel chart is made up of a square with smaller squares. Each small square represents workstation. Within a travel chart, the use of bar chart is to represent the frequency of movement to and from the workstation. The vertical bar chart represents frequency of the movement from the workstation. The horizontal bar chart represents frequency of the movement to the workstation. CMO chart is a graphical representation of micro motions of the hand, limbs by the operator under study. That is right. That is true. In CMO chart, the movement of each hand is recorded in same column. No, answer is wrong. That is false. CMO stands for simultaneous motion cycle. The path of the light so photographed is called as cycle graph. Chronocycle graph was introduced by Frank B.G. Analytical estimating using synthetic data. That it is true. That is right. Work sampling gives us observation within the desired accuracy. Disadvantage of work sampling क्या क्या है? Data inaccuracy, right? Lack of assistant, right? Uneconomical to study activity of short duration, right? तो आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. यहाँ पे डिसएडवांटेज बोला है, ध्यान में रखो. Analytical estimating breaks to the task into number of elements and synthesizing from standard data. The answer is both A and C. PMTS stands for Predetermined Motion Time System. Predetermined Motion Time System adds proper allowances to the basic time to arrive at the standard time. So, ये right है. That is answer is true. Predetermined Motion Time System eliminates inaccuracies associated within the time study. क्यों inaccurate? क्योंकि वो बेसिक टाइम टू अराइव एट द स्टैंडर्ड टाइम से वो करता है, इसके लिए इनएक्यूरेट. ठीक है, एलिमिनेट करता है. फटीग इज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ अनहेल्दी वर्क कंडीशन, फिजिकल एक्सट्रैक्शन, इनकन्वीनियंस, पोस्टर, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. अभी आपके लिए जो आपका जो डिमांड है, काफी सारा डिमांड तो मैंने कंप्लीट किया, अभी आपका डिमांड बढ़ते रहे. तो अभी भी अनहेल्दी कंडीशन हो रहा है, साथ में फिजिकल एक्सट्रैक्शन हो रहा है, साथ में इनकन्वीनियंट पोस्टर हो रहा है. तो अभी आप ही सोचो कि आपको ये वीडियो को कितना ज्यादा शेयर करो ताकि सबका भला, और मिनिमम 500 लाइक तो अभी आने चाहिए. ठीक है. द कॉमन फीचर ऑफ बेसिक टाइम कंसिडरेशन एज फटीग अलाउंस इज 4%. पॉलिसी अलाउंस इज अ management decision and can be demanded by a worker. That is false, wrong. Implementation of allowance to adopt a new method is known as special allowance. Special allowance may be given for any activity with a normally part of the operation cycle. That is wrong, that is false. Power failure of a small duration is an example of contingency allowance. Allowance are not added to a normal time. That is wrong, that is false. नाउ यूनिट 2 प्रोसेस इंजीनियरिंग. तो आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि खास आपके लिए कर रहा हूँ, काफी सारा आपका मैसेज आ रहा है, इसके लिए आपके लिए कर रहा हूँ. तो एज ए स्कोर ऑटोमोबाइल यूट्यूब फैमिली, आप भी फैमिली मेंबर हो, तो आपको भी ध्यान में रखना चाहिए कि कितना हार्डवर्क हो रहा है. तो आपको भी ज्यादा से ज्यादा इस वीडियो को शेयर करना है, और शेयर करने के साथ साथ मिनिमम आपको 500 लाइक्स का मैं एम रख रहा हूँ, तो उतना जरूर आना चाहिए, और ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर कीजिए और अच्छे मार्क्स से पास हो जाओ. Production is defined as step-by-step conversion of one material into another form. In the production system, 4M stands for man, material, money, and machine. What are the factors of production? That is capital, labor, land, all of the above. ये ETM में भी ये question है. Primary input are also called as factors input. Human efforts done physically or mentally with the aim of earning is known as labor. All men made aid to production which are not consumed for their own sake is termed as capital. What is the full form of SCM? That is supply chain management. Supply chain management is a broad range of activities required to plan, control, and execute. What is the responsibility for conversion of raw materials into finished product? That is process engineering. What are the functions of process engineering? To determine the basic manufacturing process, yes. To determine the sequence of operation, yes. To determine the tooling and the equipment requirement, yes. The answer is all of this, A, B, C, D. What is the information required for process engineering? Engineering drawing of the component, yes. Knowledge of the manufacturing process, yes. Knowledge of various tooling and fixtures, yes. The answer is all of the above, A, B, and C. How is the actual data represented after the product finalized? By part drawing, by blueprints, by part prints. The answer is all of the above, A, B, C. Which one is not the important information in the part printing? That is price information. In part prints, the information of the material from which the part is made is not mentioned. So ये wrong है, that is false. Process capability tells about the natural tolerance of the machine. Example of the basic process is क्या क्या? Forging है, casting है, both है, that is A and B. In which process we do operation like extruding, rolling, drawing, machinery, etc. That is principal operation. Which operation is necessary to ensure continuity and completion of the major operation? That is auxiliary operation. What are the informations required to determine operation sequence? That is list of machine available, yes. List of tooling, yes. Machine load chart, yes. The answer is all of the above, A, B, and C. Operation sheet is made in chart form. तो ये wrong है, that is answer is false. Dash means मतलब line balancing means balancing the production line or an assembly line. Clear? What aims at minimizing the idle time of a man and machine? That is line balancing. What are the objectives of line balancing? To minimize the total amount of idle time at the workstation, to determine the optimal number of workstation, to reduce waste of production and delay. That is, answer is all of the above, A, B, and C. What is the full form of CPM? That is critical path method, which represents the start and end of an activity in CPM, that is event. Dash is represented on various activities and events in logical sequence, that is network. An activity which does not consume any resource is called dummy activity. What is the full form of AOA? Activity on arrow. What is the full form of EST with respect to critical path? That is earliest start time. The slack of an event is the difference between its latest occurrence time and its earliest occurrence time. That is right. So its answer is true. Process planning begins with the product designing is completed. Which method involves two-stage for line balancing? That is heuristic method. PERT analysis is based on optimistic line, yes. Pessimistic line, yes. Most likely time, yes. Answer is all of the above. While scheduling a project by CPM, a project is divided into various activities, yes. Required time for each activity is established, yes. Sequence of various activities is made according to their importance. So answer is yes, all of the above. That is A, B, and C. While scheduling a project by CPM, sequence of various activities is made according to their importance. Completion of an activity on CPM network diagram is generally known as event node connector. Answer is all of the above. That is A, B, and C. An event is indicated on the network by a number enclosed in a circle, a square, a triangle, all of the above. That is A, B, and C. Which of the following factors are not responsible for unbalancing in rotary system? तो एरर नो, टॉलरेंस नो, शेप ऑफ द रोटर नो. तो आंसर इज नन ऑफ द अबव. इसमें से कोई भी आंसर नहीं है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंडीशन शुड बी सेटिस्फाइड फॉर कंप्लीट बैलेंसिंग ऑफ मल्टी सिलेंडर इनलाइन इंजिन? सो आंसर इज प्राइमरी कपल शुड बी बैलेंस, yes. Secondary couple should be balanced, yes. Answer is both A and B. Now unit 3 ergonomics. तो यूनिट 3 ergonomics में आगे बढ़ने से पहले आप ही जान लो कि कितना सारा क्वेश्चन हमने कवर किया अभी तक. हमने फर्स्ट चैप्टर का कितना 50 क्वेश्चन और सेकंड चैप्टर का 40 क्वेश्चन, मतलब टोटल 90 क्वेश्चन कवर किया. अभी कितना टाइम हो गया देखो, तो मैं भी मेरा बोलने का स्पीड देखो कितना बढ़ा रहा हूँ. सुबह से कितना काम कर रहा हूँ आपके लिए, पूरी टीम काम कर रही है. तो अभी आपका भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करो एंड इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक करो. आपको अच्छा लगे तो खास आपके लिए ही कर रही है स्कोर ऑटोमोबाइल यूट्यूब फैमिली टीम, और कोई नहीं कर रहा है, तो ध्यान में रखो. Ergonomic means a natural law of work. In other countries, ergonomic is also called as human engineering. Human engineering is concerned with man-machine engineering. Ergonomics helps in to improve efficiency, reliability, and productivity. To study the effect of health and safety of human beings. The answer is both A and B. Ergonomic is related to human comfort, safety. The answer is both A and B. The following subjects are related to ergonomics. कौन से related है? तो anthropology yes, physiology yes, physiology yes. Answer is all of the A, B, and C. The qualitative information is one which concerns the range of change. The quantitative information is one which concerns the value of some variables. Ergonomic principle suggests that virtual system should be preferred over auditory system in noisy location. Yes, ये तो मैं भी बोलता हूँ, right है. The following is our basic types of dynamic quantitative displays. कौन से? Fixed scale with moving pointer, yes. Fixed pointer with moving scale, yes. Counter displays, yes. Answer is all of the above. That is A, B, and C. In designing an effective workspace, the left hand will cover maximum working area. The most frequently used components are arranged in central location. The priorities which large number of control and displays are to be arranged are: first priority visual task, second priority primary control, third priority better control display relationship, fourth priority location of frequently used item with easy control. तो क्वेश्चन क्या है कि इसमें से कौन सा करेक्टली मैच है? तो वो है ये वाला, फोर्थ प्रायोरिटी लोकेशन ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज्ड आइटम विथ इजी यूज. ये वाला आंसर है. ठीक है. The height of the top of the workbench should be at the height of the elbow of the workman. For controlling the rotation through more than 360 degree, we use crank. If natural light is used as a principal means of illumination at workplace, windows area need to be equal to 30% of the floor area. The safe exposure limit for noise level for 8 hours of work per day is 90 dBA. The international limit for chemical substance in air is known as threshold limit value. The following are the principles in the applications of anthropometry data क्या है? Designed for optimization. The following are the biomechanical principles in ergonomics. So क्या है? The joint should be kept as far as possible in a neutral position. Yes. Keep the work close to the body. Yes. The lifting must occur gradually in an event matter. Yes. Answer is all of the above. That is A, B, and C. The following principles are used to calculate the energy requirement on the hearts and lungs as a result of muscular efforts during movement. तो वो है physiological principle. The people can carry out continuous tasks without fatigue if the energy requirement for the task is less than 250 watts. For longer sitting, the most comfort position for the leg in which the knee is bent at about 45 degrees. What are the tasks of ergonomics? To reduce the physical workload in hot environment? Yes. To improve working postures and reduce the efforts of the certain movements? Yes. To avoid efforts required for recalling the unnecessary information? Yes. The answer is all of the above. It is A, B, and C. Which one is the primary objective of ergonomics? To improve human behavior? Yes. What is the full form of QWL in ergonomics? So that is quality of work life. Which one comes under man-machine classification? So a manual system? Yes. Mechanical system? Yes. Automated system? Yes. So answer is all of the above. A, B, and C. Which branch of ergonomics which deals with the shape and size of the body? That is anthropometry. Which type of control device suitable for on-off setup, set down type of operation? That is hand levers. Which type of control device is suitable for activities involving large angle rotation? That is hand wheels. Which type of control device is fast action control with medium or heavy load capacity? That is foot pedals. Which type of control device is used when rotating through 360 degree is needed? So cranks. What is the information required for before starting design of display? That is, what is the information to be transmitted? What type of display to be used? Nature of the visual environment. And the answer is all of the above. A, B, and C. Ergonomic is a body of knowledge concerned with human abilities. Yes. Design of tool, machine, system, task, job, and environment. Yes. Fitting the job or task to the person. Yes. Answer is all of the above. It is A, B, and C. Which of the following would be considered a physical work characteristic? That is a 300-pound supervisor. The greater the match between work capabilities and task demand is, the lower the change of worker injury. बराबर है, अगर coordination होगा तो injury कम होगा. Maximum isometric strength capacity frequently is used to evaluate the risk of performing a job because a slow motion maximum isometric strength is very similar to maximum isotonic strength. Physical experiments from Liberty Manual Insurance Company have determined the maximum acceptable weight or force for lifting, carrying, pushing, and female wrist flexion and extension tasks. The calculation output of the revised NIOSH lifting equation is the recommended weight limit and lifting index. Engineering controls involves a change in the physical features of the workplace. Example of administrative control include all except installation of an adjustable height keyboard tray. 4 commonly recognized computer workstation postures are standing, sitting tilted forward, sitting upright, sitting tilted back. Which of the following could be considered an engineering control for an office ergonomic hazard? That is switching to a chair with greater adjustability. What requirement does the light system fulfill? That is sufficient brightness, uniform illumination, no direct or uniform glare. Yes. So answer is all of the above. That is A, B, and C. Which effect is produced by noise? Annoyance, loss of hearing problem, reduce efficiency at work. The answer is all of the above. A, B, and C. Which device can be used to reduce sound reflection? That is baffles. What is a optimal temperature of any manufacturing work? That is 18 to 23 degrees Celsius. The effect of heat can be minimized by shading. Answer is true. Yes. Dash is a process of replacing stable air, that is ventilation. अभी मैं आपके लिए रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूं तो फैन वगैरह सब कुछ बंद है, तो अभी मेरी भी आप कंडीशन देखो कि मैं किस कंडीशन में ये रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूं. तो इसके लिए आपको बोल रहा हूं कि कितना हार्डवर्क, मतलब ज्यादा से ज्यादा हार्डवर्क हो रहा है. सिर्फ किसके लिए? आपके लिए. क्यों? क्योंकि वी आर स्कोर ऑटोमोबाइल यूट्यूब फैमिली. तो आपकी भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करो, और शेयर करने के साथ साथ इस वीडियो को एम रखो कि 500 लाइक्स आ जाए. ठीक है. नाउ यूनिट 4 क्वालिटी कंट्रोल एंड इंस्पेक्शन. तो आप ही देखो कि कितना कम टाइम हुआ है और कितने कम टाइम में मैंने फास्ट 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 आपके लिए 3 मॉड्यूल पूरे 3 यूनिट कंप्लीट कर दिए. तो अभी भी आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूं कि एक लाइक जरूर कीजिए, फटाफट लाइक कर दीजिए. मिनिमम 500 लाइक तो आने ही चाहिए. 500 लाइक का एम करता हूं और मुझे जरूर मुझे है कि आप जरूर 500 लाइक कर देंगे और इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर कीजिए, क्योंकि आप लोग का बहुत मैसेज आ रहा है कि सर वीडियो बनाओ वीडियो बनाओ वीडियो बनाओ. तो बहुत मतलब बहुत हार्डवर्क जा रहा है, ज्यादा हार्डवर्क जा रहा है. तो आप वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करो. प्रोसेस कंट्रोल इज कैरिड आउट ड्यूरिंग प्रोडक्शन. लो कॉस्ट हायर वॉल्यूम आइटम रिक्वायर्स लिटिल इंस्पेक्शन. The mean of sampling distribution is equal to mean of process distribution. What are the factors affecting the quality of product? That is machine, raw material, used, manufacturing process. Answer is all of the above. That is A, B and C. Which one is an example of physiological quality characteristics? So that is taste. What are the type of quality characteristics? That is technological, physiological, contractual, time oriented. Answer is all of the above. That is A, B, C, D, all of the above. Which type of specification is simplified by growth of standard for material, component, etc.? That is standard specification. Which type of specification is decided by mutual contract between manufacturing company and the consumer? Answer is contract specification. Which type of specification is used to specify the process to produce a particular product with specified quality? Answer is process specification. Test specification includes need and scope of test, purpose of test, test procedure. Answer is all of the above. That is A, B, C. ठीक है. Which stage is concerned with how well the manufactured product gives it performance? That is quality of product. सिंपल है ना. यहाँ ही बोला है कि किससे कंसर्न होगा कि हाउ वेल. वेल का मतलब क्या? कि परफॉर्मेंस ना, क्वालिटी. क्वालिटी कंट्रोल इज कंसर्न विद लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम एंड रिलायबिलिटी इज कंसर्न विद शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. तो ये गलत है. द आंसर इज फॉल्स. What are the factors must be considered for achieving excellent reliability? That is simple designing, safety of use. The answer is both A and B. Cost of quality is defined a cost or expenditure incurred in carrying out the quality activities. Value of the quality comprises of value inherent in design, value inherent in conformance to that design. Answer is both A and B. Which one is an indirect benefit of the value of quality? That is goodwill of customer. ठीक है. What are the example of direct benefit of the value of the quality? That is goodwill of customer. What are the elements of the cost of quality? That is cost of prevention, cost of appraisal, cost of failure. The answer is both A, B and C, all of the above. Cost of appraisal is defined as expenditure incurred in carrying out the quality activities such as measure, evaluating or auditing products, components and purchased materials. The stage of inspection are incoming inspection, in process inspection, final inspection. The answer is all of the above. That is A, B, C, all of the above. Which type of inspection includes the inspection of goods or parts as they undergo process from one operation to another? That is in process inspection. In which system inspection is carried out near the machines or a machine floor? That is floor inspection. In which system the operator himself carried out inspecting during manufacture? That is operational inspection. In which system the inspection is carried out in a separate room fully equipped with all the measuring instruments, that is centralized inspection. In which system the inspection is carried out after the final manufacturing stage, that is final inspection. What are the roles of quality control inspector? That is to draft quality policy of the product or company, to draft major quality objectives of the company, to establish optimum quality of design. The answer is all of the above, that is A, B and C. Quality assurance is defined as an act of creating confidence amongst the consumers about quality of product. Clear? Quality assures changes the quality of product. No. Quality assurance changes the quality of product. No. So answer is false. Wrong. Quality circle enables every member to use his her hidden talent and creative skills to perform against the challenging task. तो इसके लिए आंसर इज क्वालिटी सर्कल. What are the objectives of the quality circle? To improve the quality and the productivity? Yes. To identify and solve work related problem? Yes. To reduce the cost by reduction of waste? Yes. The answer is all of the above, A, B and C. Which tool is used to enable data to be collected simply by making check marks? That is check sheets. Dash, that is Pareto diagram, is defined as a diagram on which undesirable events or costs associated with items such as quality, productivity, etc. are arranged according to their causes. Which is used to check variation, occurrence of defects, deviation of process, etc. That is control chart. What is the full form of QFD? That is quality function deployment. Now unit 4 का पार्ट बी. तो यूनिट 4 का पार्ट बी में आगे बढ़ने से मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि आप ही सोचिए कि कितना कम टाइम हो गया आपके लिए, कितना मैं फटाफट मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ और पूरी टीम जो ये बनाने के पीछे लगी है. तो मैंने उनको इतना रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि आज तक मैंने ऐसा रिक्वेस्ट कभी किसको नहीं किया है, सिर्फ आपके लिए. तो अभी आपका भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करो और मैं एम कर रहा हूँ कि इस वीडियो पे 500 लाइक्स आएंगे. ठीक है, तो और ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करो एंड अच्छे मार्क्स से पास हो जाओ. काफी हार्डवर्क हो रहा है. अब मैं किस कंडीशन में रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि फैन भी नहीं कर सकता, फैन करूंगा तो आपको डिस्टर्बेंस आएगा. तो अब मैं पूरा एकदम किस कंडीशन में वो अभी आप समझ जाओ. ठीक है, लेट्स बिगिन यूनिट 4 पार्ट बी. व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट? तो मैंने ये आंसर बता दिया. टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट, TQM. TQM is consumer focused management strategy. Total quality management can be defined as a control of all the transformation of an organization to satisfy customer needs. What are the principles of TQM? Customer satisfaction, yes. Do work right the right time, yes. Continuous improvement, yes. Answer is all of the above, that is A, B and C. Which one is not the objective of TQM, that is quality control management? The answer is it involves the stakeholders documentation part. तो ये क्या है? ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं है. Which of the following is correct for TQM? तो quality strategy in TQM emanates from top. तो ये correct है. Which part in quality management is the critical part? That is systematic approach. Which of the following is not true for communication in TQM? तो ये three-way communication. Which of the following is correct option for given statement about TQM? तो statement 1 है design of the formal system is an one time effort. तो ये wrong है, that is false. Statement 2 total quality management is a management philosophy. तो ये आंसर right है, true. तो statement first है वो wrong है और statement 2 है वो true है, that is false and true. What are the core principles of the total quality management in a company wide effort? That is continuous improvement, process and consumer या फिर customer orientation. Which drivers are used in TQM system? That is competition, survival and export drive. What is included in the quality assurance in TQM? That is management of process quality. How many stages are needed for inspection and testing in TQM as per ISO 9001? तो वो है 3 stages. Which factor is a basic of decision making in TQM? That is facts only. Quality control helps to minimize the risk of over design that decreases the overall cost. Quality management system improves perception of customers towards company. That is true, right? Which tool is used in TQM? The histogram. ठीक है, फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन यस, ग्राफ्स यस, आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द अबाउट ए, बी एंड सी. Which one technique is not used in TQM? That is bi-directional partition. Which is the full form of PDCA? That is plan, do, check, act. In the low level of maturity of any organization, the technique of quality improvement that is used the most is acceptance sampling. PDCA cycle is also termed as PDSA cycle. तो आंसर इज ट्रू. अभी इसमें ध्यान रखो, हम आज फास्ट जा रहे हैं, खास आपके लिए फास्ट जा रहे हैं, बट इसमें ध्यान रखो PDCA एंड PDSA. तो एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आ सकता है, PDCA इज ऑल्सो नोन एज, तो आंसर इज PDSA. ठीक है. Dash, that is Six Sigma, concentrates on making small changes in the processes and system to ensure high quality. Dash concentrates on maintaining existing quality standards, that is TQM. Quality also can be looked at in terms of user satisfaction, which includes a complaint product, a good quality product, या फिर output, delivery within budget and schedule. The answer is all of the words A, B and C. Which of the following is not a core step of Six Sigma, that is control? For any stable process, if the process follows Six Sigma quality performance, how many products will produce defective? That is 34000 ppm. What are the responsibilities of master black belt in Six Sigma? That is to use Six Sigma methodology to achieve the tangible result, yes. To identify high leverage opportunities, yes. To use Six Sigma concept to make good statistical analysis, yes. Answer is all of the above, that is A, B and C. DMAIC stands for define, measure, analyze, improve, control. What DMAIC process does it to? Solve root cause of quality and process problems. Which of these is not a part of the defined step of DMAIC process? That is verify and gain approval for final solution. DMAIC is often associated with Six Sigma activities. PSP is extended as problem solving process. जैसे कि अभी आपका जो प्रॉब्लम है वो स्कोर ऑटोमोबाइल टीम एज अ यूट्यूब फैमिली सॉल्व कर रहा है, तो आपका भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा इस वीडियो को शेयर करो एंड आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा इस वीडियो को लाइक करो. एम करता हूं 500 लाइक का. The cause and defect diagram is a part of major step of DMAIC process. Toll gate reviews are represented to managers and owners of a process dash in the Six Sigma organization, that is the project champions and the black belts not working directly on the project. Improve step of DMAIC can also be changed by design step in case of some processes. तो ये right है, that is true. DFSS refers to design for Six Sigma. Toll gate reviews are done after each step of DMAIC process. Clear? Process capability tests are a part of major step of DMAIC process. The DMAIC process is implemented on a process only when there are signs of potential breakthrough. Projects with high potential negative impact are having highest risk. DMAIC can be carried out without toll gate review. तो ये wrong है, possible ही नहीं है. So answer is false. In SIPOC diagram, the P stands for process. Which one is not the quality of Kaizen? That is improves communication between the stakeholders. What does CK2 means in the 5S program? That is standardize. What does SITON means in the 5S program? That is set in order. What does SERI means in the 5S program? That is sort. What does POCA-YOK means? That is mistake proofing. तो हमारे 1 यूनिट 2 यूनिट 3 यूनिट 4 यूनिट कंप्लीट हो गए और आप टाइम देखो कि कितने कम टाइम में कंप्लीट हुआ है, और एग्जाम का दिन भी देखो कितना टाइम बाकी है. क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि वी आर अ स्कोर ऑटोमोबाइल यूट्यूब फैमिली. मैं मानता हूं कि हम एक स्कोर ऑटोमोबाइल यूट्यूब फैमिली है, तो आपका भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि इस हार्डवर्क का मोटिवेशन आपको देना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करो. शेयर करने के साथ साथ कमेंट करके बताओ कि ये वीडियो आपको कैसे लगा. ठीक है, और 500 लाइक्स का मैं एम कर रहा हूं. ठीक है. विच एक्टिविटी एसक्यूसी इंक्लूड्स? तो सबसे पहले एसक्यूसी क्या है? स्टैटिस्टिकल क्वालिटी कंट्रोल. तो क्या इंक्लूड करता है? सिस्टमेटिक कलेक्शन एंड रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ डेटा एक्यूरेटली, यस. एनालाइजिंग द डेटा, यस. प्रैक्टिकली इम्प्लीमेंटेशन और मैनेजमेंट action, yes. So answer is all of the above. Which one is not an example of variables? That is blowholes in casting. The number of defects per unit of a casting process output is plotted on U chart. What type of control chart can be used to plot number of defectives in the output of a process for making a machine part data? That is P chart. What type of control chart can be used to plot number of defectives in the output of a process for making a machine part data? That is P chart. Which of the charts are more efficient to find out variability in the data when the sample size is more than 10? That is S chart. Which of these is an advantage of attribute control chart? That is several quality characteristics can be considered jointly. Which of these is an advantage of variable control chart? The answer is to achieve the information very easily about the mean and variability. X bar and R chart are leading indicators of trouble. The efficiency of variable control chart is more than the efficiency of the P charts when P is small and far away from 0.5. The efficiency of P chart is more than the efficiency of the X bar and R chart when P is closer than 0.5. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे कंफ्यूज मत हो. यहाँ पे देखो P is small and away, तो यहाँ पे P is close. ठीक है, तो ध्यान में रखो, रट्टा मत मारो. काफी मेहनत कर रहे हैं आपके लिए, तो आप भी थोड़ा सा जरा हार्डवर्क करो. Which of these is most economical in long term? That is X and R chart. When a change in product specification is desired, which of this control chart should be used? That is X and R chart. क्योंकि अभी बोला ना X and R chart है वो most economical in long term. ठीक है, तो अपना जो relation है that is long term. When we want to troubleshoot the out of control process, we use X control charts. ठीक है. In regular industries where process stability and process capability must be continuously demonstrated, that is X and S charts are used. Before choosing which security characteristic to be controlled, control chart must be chosen. Wrong. That is answer is false. Proper type of control chart to be prepared must be chosen after choosing the point in the process at which the control chart will be implemented. That is wrong. That is false. Which of this is not a tool to describe variation in product units? That is acceptance sampling. Which of these shows the order, stem and leaf plot? The answer is stem and the leaves both arranged by magnitude. The median for any odd number of observation is n-1 by 2 plus 1. Rank on the ascending order of the observation where n is the number of observation. For even number of observation of a data distribution, what is the median? तो वो क्या है? Average of n by 2 the observation and n by 2 plus 1 observation. IQR is defined as difference between third and first quartile. In stem and leaf plot, the measure of variability is IQR. Which of these does not take time order of observations into account? That is stem and leaf plot. For a set of data having 100 observations, how many beans must be created for satisfactory result of histogram? That is 10. The histogram has the same meaning as the box plot. That is, there are two names of something. So where false. Answer is wrong. Cumulative frequency plot is defined as height of the each bar is less than or equal to the upper limit of bean. Frequency of the bean in the histogram must be higher than 0. So ये false है, wrong. Quantities that can be numerically measured can be plotted on X bar control chart. A single measurable quality characteristic such as dimension, weight or volume is called variable. A variable quality characteristic will have both, that is mean and variability. The control of the process average or mean quality level is usually done with X bar control chart. ठीक है. S chart is used to monitor variability of a quality characteristics. Toughness of a bolt mount on a tank is variable. X chart is a variable control chart. If a process is said to be controlled, what can we say about the variation, that is random? Tolerances are said to be limits of natural variability. The lower control limit for an X bar control chart is lesser than the means of a sample taken, that is answer is true. The event of a specification not satisfied at one point of the product is called non-conformity. A non-conforming item has at least one conformities. The C control chart is plotted for number of defects observed. ठीक है? What will be the value of the 3 sigma upper control limit for the C chart when standard is given, that is UCL equal to C plus 4 C. ठीक है, क्लियर? अब लेक्चर में आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं सीरियसली आपको बताना चाहता हूं, सीरियसली, आपको इमोशनल करने के लिए नहीं, बट सीरियसली मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं कि आज आप मेरा थोड़ा आवाज भी देखेंगे, थोड़ा आवाज में थोड़ा चेंज है, क्योंकि सच में तुमको बताऊं तो मेरे को थोड़ा सा फीवर है, बट स्टिल मैं आपके लिए बना रहा, मैं अभी भी बोल रहा हूँ, आपको इमोशनल करने के लिए नहीं बोल रहा, जो फैक्ट है वो बता रहा हूँ। थोड़ा सा मुझे फीवर भी है, बट हमारे बेस्ट विशेस ऐसे है कि आपके लिए हम ये मैराथन लेक्चर लेके आए हैं। तो ये मैराथन लेक्चर इतना फास्ट है और इसके अंदर इतना सारा कवर किया है कि एक्चुअली जब आप देखोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि ये कितने सारे क्वेश्चन और पूरा सिलेबस कवर कर रहे हैं। तो इसके लिए आपका जो एक लाइक और जो एक कमेंट होता है कि सर थैंक यू या फिर सर थैंक्स या फिर जो कुछ भी हो, जो आपका फीलिंग्स हो, तो उसके लिए पूरी टीम को ना मोटिवेट मिलता है। तो इसके लिए वी एज अ स्कोर ऑटोमोबाइल यूट्यूब फैमिली, आप इस वीडियो पे ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर कीजिए ताकि जितने भी बच्चे हो, चाहे वो अपने अभी तक फैमिली मेंबर ना हुए हो, तो उनको भी शेयर करो, क्योंकि किसी का तो फायदा होगा, किसी का तो भला होगा। तो कुछ अच्छा काम करो और इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करो। और साथ साथ में मैं 500 लाइक्स का एम रख रहा हूं, विश्वास है कि ये एम जरूर पूरा होगा। एंड आज का जो भी सिलेबस है पूरा कंप्लीट हो चुका है। अच्छे से पढ़िए और इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा देखिए, बार बार देखिए, तो बार बार देखेंगे तो आपका ये प्रिपरेशन हो जाएगा। और हेडफोन लगा के सुनिए ताकि आपको अच्छे से अच्छा बेनिफिट हो। एंड वी विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट एज अ स्कोर ऑटोमोबाइल यूट्यूब फैमिली। अच्छे से एग्जाम दो और याद रखो, शेयर करना, सब्सक्राइब करना एंड 500 लाइक्स पहुंचाना आपके हाथ में ही और आप सब कर सकते हो। तो वी विश यू अगेन ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्जाम फ्रॉम स्कोर ऑटोमोबाइल यूट्यूब फैमिली।